Hello my friends, how are you today? We are going to do paper plate parrot together. You can find the materials on your package. Okay, I'm gonna to open this packet to show you the parts of this bird. This paper plate is the body. This one is the eye. This one is the leg. The red circle is the head, and also this one is the part of the head. The yellow paper, which has the black line, is the beak, and this white paper is the tail. Also, for this project, we need glue, staple, and different color of markers. My first step is that I'm gonna to staple the body and the head together. Like this. And I'm gonna to staple the tail. Next step, I wanted to stick the eye. We can complete it together. This one, as I told you, is the parts of the head. So I'm gonna to stick it. And I'm gonna to put the glue on the beak. And again, staple the leg. Maybe you have different color from me. It's a little bit tricky, but no worries, you can do it. Okay. But we have to color the body and the tail. You can use pink, and I'm gonna to use the orange one. Green for the tail. Again, blue for the tail. Also, you can use it for the body. And my last color is the purple. This is my cute parrot. It's really easy. You can do it at home and share it with us. See you. Bye.